Guys, good evening. So now it's 12:39 a.m. in the morning. So this is a crude oil market. So at this moment, I've long one position. So now I long another positions at around 98. So I'm expecting for the price to move towards this 74.39. So at this moment, it doesn't look any good. Minus 100 on the PNL. So hopefully the price will go to the long positions. So there's a bottom here, you can see it will be a diagonal bottom. So below this we will consider short sell position. So at this moment I'm still expecting for the long buy positions. Just enter at around 73.98. So we'll see whether the price can move towards our TP area. So I will pause this video and continue once the price reach there, or break out the entry level. Okay, the price almost break, so almost break to the our entry point. So fully it will penetrate further upper side. So now it's 12:49 a.m. in the morning. So this is a candlestick from 12:45. So hopefully the price can move further on the positive side. So this means above this blue line. So there's a high tendency for the market to be more stable on the bullish side. So at this moment I'm still floating negative minus 50, and hopefully this will turn to the positive trade. So almost there. So I will pause for a while and continue live record once the price move above this blue line. Guys, continue again. So at this moment the price already break past this blue line. So I'm expecting for the explosion on the bullish side. So hopefully the price will go much more further faster at this period of time. Yep. So now the account is minus 30 USD US dollar. So nearing our entry point, so 65. So let's see about the volume. So the volume is quite average. So I just found there's a large volume somewhere 24 74.20 and 74.40 if I'm not mistaken. Yes, there's a 200 queuing here. So this one quite harsh. Now we are break even 0 0. So hope the price will go on the first. Okay, now high volume on 24.00. So I'm really expecting for the price to explode on the upper side. So this will help to further and trigger my profit much more faster. So maybe around 1 hour time. So now is 1 a.m. in the morning. So I'm expecting for around 2 a.m. in the morning I can close my position. So hopefully everything will go smoothly and we reach the TP area without any problem. So we continue live again later. I will pause this video and continue again. Okay, so continue again. So now it's 1:37 a.m. in the morning. So market did go beyond this blue line, my entry. So at this moment I'm quite positive, $60 or $50 US dollar. So I'm still expecting for the upper side movement on the market. So the situation at this moment is not really active, but looks okay. So now it's $80, $90. So I'm still expecting around 400 US dollar in profit for tonight. So still far from our TP area, but at this moment it looks positive that it will go to this direction. So I'm expecting for the price to accelerate a little bit in the next 30 minutes. So guys, continue live again once almost reach the TP area. So okay, let's see about the volume. Let's see about the volume. There is a high volume on the selling side at this moment. so 2010 2410 now is $100 in profit. So just 10 ticks, so my target is 40 ticks, so let's wait and see whether we can reach 40 ticks or not. Thank you. We'll continue again. I will pause the video for a while. Once reaching almost the TP area, we'll resume back this live recording video. Alright guys, continue again. After a few minutes, the market did move on the higher side. So at this moment, I'm at $170 profit. So I think should be enough. Now it's 190, so it should be enough. I will sell on spot on the market. Hopefully $200. So I'm out from the market. So total for today is 2 lots with $240 profit. This is CPO 575 ringgit Malaysia, and this one is USD 240. So this is like a scalping, and I think that's all for tonight, because this is quite late entry actually, because normally we'll finish before 12 o'clock, but our entry is around after 12, so this is not really good. So the market did move to the high 2420. So let's see, 2420, there's a high volume somewhere there. Okay, the next high volume will be my TP area somewhere here, 2438, 2440. So I'm expecting for the price to reach this area, but I already out from the market, because it should be enough. And now it's 1:45 AM in the morning. So guys, continue next time, maybe tomorrow. Thank you. Bye bye.